How to create a TonKeeper wallet. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll be teaching you guys on creating your TonKeeper wallet. So TonKeeper wallet is a cryptocurrency wallet specifically designed for the Tone, the open network blockchain formerly known as Telegram Open Network. So first, let's install the app. And if it's already installed, let's open it, and you have two options to create your wallet. You can create a new wallet or import an existing one. For this video, we'll create a new wallet. Enter the passcode you wish to use and enable the notifications to stay informed about receiving your activities. And that's it. We've successfully created a new wallet, and the process is quick and seamless. So this is what TonKeeper Wallet interface looks like. To add another wallet account, click below and you'll see your total balance shown along with the options for sending, receiving, scanning, swapping, buying, selling, and staking. For the wallet settings such as history and browser, tap on the gear icon in the upper right hand corner of the screen. Remember, the most crucial part of creating your wallet is backing it up. To back up your recovery phrase, tap on backup here and manually back up your wallet by writing down your recovery phrase. Please make sure to read the instructions carefully about never sharing your recovery phrase anywhere with another TonKeeper. TonKeeper support will never ask for any of your recovery phrase. Anyone with your recovery code can access your wallet, so be cautious. Always remember to write down and keep your recovery phrase safe. You can also customize your flat currency, theme, and more. So that concludes this video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.